Caden here, Coder Nomads instructor in Barcelona with the Python cohort. We just finished up the Python fundamentals and MySQL. So I wanted to take a second to talk about how to use MySQL and MySQL Workbench to get information out of a database. So we have an example common tutorial, the university database that MySQL provides, and it has information, fake information about a university. So we have tables such as buildings, courses, majors, students, rooms, and we're going to take a look at how to find the students' names and the courses that they are in. So if you take a look at the columns inside courses and students, there's actually no relation directly from the courses table to the students table. And so because it's a relational database, there needs to be some sort of relationship in order to link those records. And so what we have is a students courses lookup table. And what that contains is a foreign key that points to the students table. So each student in a record, or student record in the students table, and a course that they are in. So if a student is in a course, there will be a record that is linking those in the students courses table. So if we take a look at how to just select the student's first name and last name from students, we're giving it the name S. I had it highlighted there. We get the first name and last name. We can go ahead and delete these and just select all the columns from students. But again, you can see there's nothing in here about courses. So what we need to do in order to get those courses is we need to join. First, we need to join the students courses table. We're going to name it student courses. And we want to join on the condition that the student ID equals, so the primary key in the students table equals the student ID in students courses table. So this is a foreign key pointing to a record in the students table. So we can say we want to join students courses to students on the terms that s.id equals sc students courses dot student ID. So we've now hopefully successfully joined the students and students courses table, and now we have a link to the courses table. So we now have the foreign key of the record that points to the courses table or the courses ID. So we want to do another join statement, going on courses, we'll name it C. Again, we want to put a condition, so we only want to join the courses that have an entry in the courses students table or have a record. So we can say on the fact that c.id equals students courses dot courses ID. Now we can, instead of just selecting the first name and last name, we can also select the course name that the student is in. So we went from the students to the students courses, and then we're able to access records in the students courses table. So let's give this a run and see what we get. Looks like I named something a little bit wrong there. That's actually going to be, so course ID. Look at that. So we can see in our results that Peter Jackson is in physics, chemistry, and poetry. And we found that out by being able to join the students with the students' courses on some condition, and then another join statement that joins the courses to those results on this condition. So we'll take a look deep into MySQL and how we can use it in our applications, as well as in a client like this to get information out of a database, and how helpful it can be when you're consuming data, when you're creating a database and saving your own data for later use. So it can be a really powerful tool. Well, thanks for watching. We'll have more about it later on. Thanks. Bye.